In this video, I am going to show you how to join the CJ Dropshipping affiliate program. 1. Visit the CJ Dropshipping website and register for your affiliate account for free. You can do this by providing your email address, your name and password, and whatever steps you need to finish. Once registered, you can start monetizing your traffic immediately. Access your affiliate dashboard to obtain your unique affiliate links. These links will serve as your referral links when promoting CJ Dropshipping products. You can retrieve your referral links from your affiliate dashboard. These links will direct users to CJ Dropshipping, ensuring that you receive credit for any purchases they make. If you wish to use a specific product page as your affiliate landing page, you can do this by going to Canva or other editing software. Start sharing your unique referral link with your audience through your website, social media platforms, and email newsletters. And that's it, guys. Now you can earn commissions for valid transaction made through your referral link. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.